These are some of the girls at the club. What is going on, guys? Merry Christmas. By the time you guys see this video, it'll be a few days after Christmas. But this is our last day in Bangkok before tomorrow, when the real adventure begins. Make sure you keep up on that portion of the trip. So when we got here, they gave us an antigen test kit for COVID that we have to take within 6 days of being in Thailand. So we're gonna do that now, and you know, hopefully we're still negative. Let's see. What's also amusing is all the directions are in Thai. So we just kind of gotta assume that it's similar to the ones we get in the States and follow the pictures. Here we go. Oh. Damn. It's just like the US test kits. I'm gonna dip it in here. Swirl it around 20 times. Put the cap on the little dropper. The test apparatus. 3 drops. 15 seconds for test results. Alright guys, looks like the adventure continues because these are both negative results. I kind of feel like, you know, there's always a little bit, I don't know how you feel about this, but for me it's like there's always a little bit of like anxiety before we do like a COVID test, because like it's like, oh my god, what happens if it comes back positive? And then like, you know, the thing you're supposed to do is be like, shit, I tested positive, and then quarantine, right? But then it's like you just kind of like keep it on the DL, which I'm sure a lot of people do, and then like still go about your business and, you know, go around passing around germs.
No.
But then you know, it's always a relief after it comes back negative. So we're getting the day started. We're heading back out to Terminal 21 to get some lunch, because that's Vicky's favorite place to eat out of all the places we've been to so far here in Bangkok. Alright, so we're going to have Vicky try to navigate us all the way to Terminal 21 without any intervention from me. We'll see where we end up. It's actually really nice out here today, overcast, so it's not crazy hot. Yesterday was probably the worst day we've had here during this trip, but still not as terrible as the last time we were out here. Alright, where are we going, Vickers?
To the train station.
Which train? Alright, we're already doing an amazing job of navigating to where we need to go.
Am I wrong?
There's 2 choices. Are we taking SkyTrain, or are we taking the subway?
SkyTrain.
Alright, which way to the SkyTrain? So far so good. Alright, Vickers, your next test. What station are we going to? False. Try again. Eso. 37 times 2. 74. There's actually surprisingly few people out right now. I figured there'd be a lot more people bouncing around during Christmas, but not really. Maybe at the mall. Here comes our ride. Aesok Station. We're here. Terminal 21. We're back. Have you decided what you want to eat today yet?
Same thing I always get.
Pork guts?
Yes.
Mango sticky rice?
Yes.
Pad Thai?
Absolutely. maybe some spicy wontons in here if I have room later.
Or Hunker Chan?
Yeah.
Oh, it's busy today. Okay, this is where all the people are. We have a pretty fancy dinner planned for tonight, so we're gonna try to eat as much as possible here right now because dinner's probably not gonna be until later in the evening. All right, on the prowl. Next stop, Pad Thai stall. 30 baht. That's like 97 cents. This is pretty crazy. Beef noodles, morning glory pork, papaya salad, pork intestine with rice, mango sticky rice, pad thai, a Pepsi, and a water. Not too shabby. So Vickers just did the calculation. All this food right here came out to $7.09 US. Yeah. Mango sticky rice for Vicky. This time she's gonna take it to go. Afternoon snack at the hotel. It didn't happen. There's nobody here to serve us. Vicky is sad now. The rest of the trip is ruined. We just walked by this. Decided that we need to pack one to take back to the room to try because that looks awesome. Man, we just did some some damage right now.
We're tempted to try the Thai milk tea.
You satisfied?
Yeah, I could go for more, but I'm not.
Alright, time to go do some holiday shopping, I guess. For me and my nephew. Time to get me a little something for the office. That might be the one. Taking a walk down Sukhumvit to look for some street food because we haven't actually had any street food yet. Sausage. Our first actual street food after a week. Cup and cup behind. We found a street food vendor with mango sticky rice.
120 bucks.
We're gonna see how this one is.
3 hours later.
The last happy hour we get to do here in Bangkok. Got to enjoy it. I got to serve these hors d'oeuvres, but I really can't eat much of them because we have dinner in like half an hour. I'm so depressed right now. All right, well, here we are at Blue Elephant. This is gonna be our room for the night. I guess we're opening this tonight. Some Yamazaki 18-year. Merry Christmas.
Special one. Okay.